All right, so where is everything? This is the Wonder. It's kind of a smaller boat, kind of like the Magic. It's a classic boat, not small, classic. And um, you have a list of where everything is. We do have plenty of elevators or lifts. We have staircases. Pro tip: if if you want some extra ice cream, always take the stairs going up and go ahead and take the elevator going down. I don't know if it means anything, but it makes you feel a lot better. Okay, so dining. Palo is up on 10, Cabanas at 9, Daisy Delights, Pete's Boiler Bites, Ice Cream, Pinocchio's Pizzeria, Animator's Palette, Tiana's Plays, Triton's. All these things are located in the aft of the ship. Aft means the back of the ship. Everything except for Triton's. Triton's is midship. When you come on, they'll announce your name. It's really, really cool. Not when you go to Triton's, but when you first go on the ship. So, and then entertainment tends to be on the forward part. The concierge lounge is actually mid. Cove Cafe also mid. I guess none of these things are really on the forward, but no, just kidding. Signals, Preludes, Walt Disney Theater, Promenade Lounge, Azure, Cadillac Lounge, Crown and Fin. So those are all pretty good places. Pro tip: things cost money here. You do have all the free fountain drinks that you want for all the free food, unless you get it at one of these bars. Okay, we even have entertainment. We have a cinema, the Buena Vista Cinema, and outside they have popcorn, which you have to pay for, and drinks, which you have to pay for. But if you just take the elevator up, there's a bunch of fountain drinks there, and you get that for free. So anyways, that's just some of the things you do. Youth activity vibe is for the, I think, 14 and older kids. The Bippity Boppity Boutique is where the younger ones can get made up like princesses or pirates. The Edge, which is, I think it's for tweens, 12 to 14. Oceaneers Club, Oceaneers Lab, those are for the children below 12, I believe 3 to 12. And then you have It's a Small World Nursery. There's a lot of things to do on your ship. Some people never stop anywhere. They just do everything that's on the ship. So anyways, thank you for coming to Travelears, and give us a like, subscribe please, and if you have any questions, like always, don't I look cool? If you have any questions, as always, please go ahead and just ask in the comments section below, and I'll answer as quick as possible. Thanks guys, bye.